Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we will see after creating Salesforce Developer Edition account, we have understood about RGuardian instance. We will see practically where we can see that RGuardian instance in our Salesforce Developer account. Now log into your Salesforce account. Then there is the setup option here. We have discussed about setup. Like from here, we can do administrator tasks. Go to setup. The setup left sidebar. Here we have administer. In that administer, we have company profile. In the company profile, just click on company information. There you can see here organization name we have given. We have given our company name. I have given Samskara IT. And this is the primary contact. I have given my first name. This is the primary contact. After that, you observe here, we have Salesforce organization ID. This is a 15-digit unique ID. Whenever we create Salesforce Developer Edition account, that means Salesforce is creating one org for us with a unique identification number that is starting with 00D. This is the common interview question. Org ID starts with what? It starts with 00D and remaining 12 characters will be there. It is the alphanumeric character. Then organization edition. In real time, it will be unlimited. For us, it is developer edition. Now we have instance AP26. We have given country as India. That's why it is given in Asia Pacific region. Automatically, it will allocate this instance wherever the memory space is available. In that memory space, we will get the instance, we will get one org ID. Then this is created by us, means it is created by me as a user. I have given my first name and last name as this, and we have modified by. These two things are automatically taken by, given by Salesforce. And this org ID, this instance, everything, whatever we are seeing here, it is automatically allocated by Salesforce. We will have two kinds of memory space. This is data space. This is file space. That is file storage and data storage. Whenever, just to remember, whenever we create any developer edition, that means Salesforce is allocating some memory space to us in the server or instance. That instance is automatically allocated by Salesforce based on the country we have selected while creating the account. We will write navigation steps for that. Just here, go to setup. In the left sidebar, we have administer. In that, go to company profile, click on company information. Then we can check for following: organization ID, edition, instance, created by, modified by. You practice this, you check for your account, what is happening. Go to company information and check. This is the assignment for you. Every assignment you have to send to samskarait@gmail.com. File storage for developer edition is 20 MB, data storage is 5 MB. You can send email to samskarait@gmail.com.
Assignment sent to the email you want in the Word document, right? The screenshots and everything.
Yeah, screenshots and everything you send to in Word document. This is very important because our backend team will call you for updates on assignments. They will call in the evening every day, mostly. Now
I will be sending yesterday's and today's at the same time.
Okay. Now we will customize the tab bar. This is the tab bar we have here. On this tab bar, we have different tabs. So go to sales application. In the sales application, we are seeing so many tabs here. Usually how we get requirement from client is we don't want to see all these tabs. Just hide tabs which are not required. Now our client they don't want this contract orders forecasts. They don't want these 3 tabs. That time what we have to do is just click on this plus symbol, customize my tabs. Just go here. They don't want forecasts, contracts and orders. Just select those 3 things. Hold control and select those. Just remove from this. Here we can see available tabs. These are the all tabs available in the Salesforce application. And these are the available in sales application. We have selected sales application. Just remove this and save. You can see here. Now those 3 tabs are not visible here. We get these simple requirements in real time. Now what they will say is they want dashboards in the starting, reports at the end. Then same process. Just go to click on plus symbol, customize my tabs. Just change the order. You can select the reports. Just click on down. Here it has moved down. Just click on save. So dashboards is here and reports is here. These are the simple requirements. This is the another assignment you have to do. So how to customize tab bar? Just go to tab bar, click on plus symbol, click on customize my tabs, select required tabs to be visible on the tab bar, or if you want to remove it, select them, click on remove button. If you want to add anything, you can add. Select the default landing tab from the pick list. Arrange the tabs in the required order by using up and down. Just click on save button. You try these assignments. Go to sales application, customize the tab bar, hide all the features after forecasts tabs. Move opportunities tab at the end. You just do this and send it to us. That is the entire assignments for tab bar. Now we have sidebar here. We are seeing a sidebar here. Whatever you open, you see one sidebar here. See this here, we have one more right side sidebar. Here it is collapsible sidebar. Whenever we want, when we click on that, then only it is opening. Otherwise, it is moving inside. We can make the same left sidebar like this. We can make it collapsible. How to do that? Just click on setup. This is the administer activity. Just click on setup. Go to build menu option. Here we have build. In the build, click on customize. In the customize, we have user interface option. See this user interface is there. Click on that user interface. Here we have different sections. So here sidebar section is there. Just go to sidebar section. Click on, just check this enable collapsible sidebar. Then click on save. See now, this main page is coming from here. Just click on this. See, it has become collapsible. This is the another requirement we get from client. This is one more requirement. Just practice this. For this, you go to setup, build menu, customize, click on user interface, go to sidebar section. Just check the box, enable collapsible sidebar, click on save. So this assignment, make left sidebar collapsible in your sales application. And see, same thing is, this is the first assignment. Second thing is, observe marketing and service application. Whether in those two applications, it is collapsible or normal. You are doing it in sales application, but it is applicable in marketing application or service application. Just check it. Just write down it is done or not. Just observe it and send screenshot. Now, this is the accounts tab. Whenever we click on accounts tab, it is opening accounts home. What we do with accounts home, now we have this accounts tab. In this accounts tab, end user get this tab. Then what he will do, he has to save his data in the form of records. In the accounts tab, what he can do, he can do 5 operations on records. From the account tab, end user manages records. How he manages record? He will create a new record. 5 operations can be done on record. Can be done on any record. When you open account tab, you are maintaining records related to account. When you click on accounts tab, you are going to manage records in the accounts tab. So what 5 operations you can do? First thing is you can create record. You can create a new record. Second, you can edit the existing record. You can delete the record. You can undelete the deleted record. You can view the record. These 5 operations can be done on any kind of record. So now what we will do is just open this accounts tab. It has opened accounts home page, or we can call it as accounts landing page. If you click on other tab, contacts tab, it opens contacts home page. If you click on opportunities, it opens opportunities home page or opportunities landing page, we call it. From the landing page, we can manage the records. Now here, create new. You can click on new button. Just enter account name. Account name is Samskara Manpower. Enter phone number. Type fax number, something you enter. You click on save. These I am not filling all the things. While you practice, you just enter all the details and observe what is happening, what fields are available. Type customer direct, industry, location, rating, customer priority. Right. Yes, active. Yes. You observe these fields and enter few details or all details. Just click on save. Now new record is created. Here you observe in the left side, we have three options: create new, recent items, and recycle bin. In the recycle bin, whatever the account now we have created, that account has come here. This account. If you want to edit this record, just click on edit. Now I want to change fax number. Save. Now we have edited that record. This is in real time, record will be very lengthy. In editing the record length is lengthy. There will be thousands of fields in real time. That time what we have to do is, if you open this record, entire record will be opened in editing mode. If you open record in editing mode, entire record is opened in edit mode. That time all the fields has to be opened. It is a performance issue. If you open entire records with lots of fields, it takes some memory space. So that's why what we can do is, we can use inline editing. Inline editing means only particular field is open for editing. Entire record won't open. Only the field which we want to edit, that field we can edit. Just go here. Try this pen. Change it. Come out. Now it changed to orange color. When you click on save, the changes will be committed. So change it to black color. This is called inline editing. Two kinds of editings are available: normal editing and inline editing. That is how we can edit the record. Now just delete the record. Go here, delete this record. It will ask for confirmation. Click on delete. So now where is that record? It goes to recycle bin. Here in recycle bin, this record will be available for 15 days. From today, it will be available for 15 days. You can undelete this record. If you want to restore this record, just select and undelete. Now you can see here in recent items. See, now record is available. This is what 4 things. First thing is creating the record. These are the steps to create record. Go to accounts tab, click on new, enter details, click on save. Editing the record, you can open the record. When you click on edit, entire record fields are open in editable mode. Then try this and you go to inline editing, update particular field, fax number or something, then save it. Delete the record. You can see that record in recycle bin. It will be available for 15 days. After 15 days, it won't be available. It will be deleted from org. So you can undelete the record. If you want to restore that record, you undelete it. Then view the record. How we can view the records? Go to accounts home tab. Here it is showing view. It is showing view. 6 options are there: all accounts, my accounts, new last week, new this week, platinum and gold SLA customers, recently viewed account. I want to see all the accounts. How many records are there? 14 records are there. But I have created only one record. From where these 13 records came? Whenever we create Salesforce Developer Edition account, Salesforce by default gives sample records to see. If you want to enter new record, just open one record and see what details are there. See this. By seeing this, we can understand what data we can enter. Here, account owner is the Salesforce Developer Edition account owner, which we have created. This is my name. For you, if you see, it will be your name. By default, Salesforce is creating records on our name through our profile. These things are different sections available. We will discuss about this later. Page layout and record management, all those things will come in the next sessions. So when you select all accounts, it will show all accounts. Now, how we can define what is the meaning of all accounts? For example, now I have org ID. In this org ID, company is Samskara IT. For this company, one org is created with unique org ID. In this org ID, not only me, there will be different users. I am the one user, Madhu. There will be another user, Hema, and Naresh user is there. Akhil is there. Shravan. All these people are the users for this company. When I say all accounts, Madhu has created one record. Hema has created 2 records. Naresh created 2 records. Akhil created 1 record. Shravan created 2 records. So total, these all users, 5 users created some 8 records in the org. When you say all accounts, this total 8 records will be displayed. These all users are in this company, Samskara IT, in the same org. Whenever you select all accounts, whoever created records from this org ID, all the users, whoever created records, all records will be displayed. That's why here it is displaying all accounts, all records it is displaying. Whatever the accounts are available, it is displaying all records. But here, account owner is only me, because by default, Salesforce has given these records to me. That's why it is showing all account. Here, other account owner is there. It is showing this as well. Now we'll see only my accounts. How many it displayed now? 13 it displayed, because there is another user. Salesforce has created one record with Auto Pro C. That username is different. It is not belongs to me. Salesforce has given like that. That's why when we select all accounts, it has displayed 14 records. When you selected my accounts, it has removed that owner, different owner is there. That means when we select my accounts, it displays only records created by account owner. It is by me. Other records won't display. That's why here in the Salesforce, we have created one record. Salesforce has given 13 records. In the 13 records, one record with MK name, another record with Auto PROC, and I have created one record. 12 records it has given by default. One we have created, I have created, and the other one is with Auto Pro name. Whenever we select, all accounts, it has displayed total 14 records. Here it is displaying 13 records because it has removed. It is not displaying auto pro. So when we select new last week, it won't display anything because we have created this account yesterday only. That's why it is not displaying any records. If you select new this week, it will display 14 records. Because this week we have created this 14 records. Select this platinum gold SLA customers. How it is displaying this 14 records? All the customers are with SLA, platinum and gold SLA customers. This is there, that option we will see where it is there. For one field, we have platinum and gold. Now, if you select recently viewed account, it will display 2 because we have opened this record and we have created this record and we have edited. That's why it is displaying recently viewed records. If we select all accounts and click on any other account, pyramid constructions. Now, if you go to accounts and see recent viewed accounts, it will display 3 records. So this is all about viewing record. This option is called enhanced list view. In every project, this is the common requirement in every project. In every project, we will get, if you are working as Salesforce administrator, you will get this requirement to create enhanced list view. They will give few conditions. So now we will see how to create our own enhanced list view. So first we finish this assignments. Create 5 records. You go to accounts tab and create 5 records. This is the assignment for you. Click on new and create 5 records. You have to enter all the fields. Try to do inline editing for single field. Open record in edit mode, update 2-3 fields. Then delete the records. 2 to 3 records you delete, undelete those records. View records with these 6 options, with these 6 enhanced list options. This is the assignment. Then now we will see how to create our new view. This is the common requirement in our every project. We get this requirement to create our own view as per client requirement. Go here. Here we have view. This you have noted down yesterday. I think I have given that assignment. Go create new view. Enter view name. What I want to see is active customers. Active status equal to S customers. Whoever the customer is active, I want to display their details. Automatically it will come when you click on tab. I have given view name. I want to see who are the active customers in the company. So second step is specify this filter criteria. It is for all accounts, only to my accounts. I want to display all accounts. All accounts means entire user records. All the user records will be displayed. If I select only my accounts, it displays only related to our own user ID. If other user create account, any account records, it won't display their records. Select all the accounts. Now here field, have active field. equals to, if you know the value, you can directly enter. Otherwise, you can just click on the search symbol, insert selected. Here you can enter up to 10 filters. It will allow up to 10 filters. You can add multiple filter conditions based on the requirement. After 10, it won't show. You can enter 10 filter conditions here. They will ask in interview how many filter conditions you can add in enhanced list view. Answer is 10. Then in the step 3, what field you want to display? Here it is already displaying, already showing the selected fields. Now I want to display active as well. Select the columns which you want to display in the list. Add this active. Restrict visibility. This report visible only to me or all users. You just select visible to all users. Visible to only to me means when you create this active status as this report, this name, this view is visible only to us, only to one user ID, that is only to me. If you select visible to all users, if you have other users like Naresh, Akhil, Hema, Shravan, for that users also, this report, this view will be visible. There is some other concept called group of users. We add all these users into one group. That time, if you select this group, it will ask to add that group. Now, right now, select this visible to all users. Click on save. Now, see, active status S. How many records it is displaying? 11 records it is displaying. See, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is displaying 11. 11 records having active status equal to S. Like this, you can create different views based on the requirement. See that navigation. Creating views. In the step 1, enter view name. Step 2, specify the filter criteria. We have logged in with some other username. This is not required. So I have explained this to you. So display important records. Maximum 10 filters can be applied. Just specify the view name, specify the filter criteria, and select the fields which you want to display in the report. Here in this, it is showing the action, account name, account site, billing, phone type, account owner alias, active. Before active was not there, I have included this. So restricts the visibility. It is visible to only me. Select visible to all users. Check one more time. Here view name, specify the filter criteria, all accounts and fields. This is for all accounts and enter filter. 2, 3, you just enter your fields which you want to display in the view and available to all users. Click on save. These are the 4 steps are there. Now pagination and paging. See what is pagination. Here in Gmail, if you take Gmail, it displays some 50 emails here. If I want to see next 50, just click on this 51 to 100. This is called pagination concept. In Salesforce as well, we have pagination concept. Here it is showing 1 to 11. I can select display 10 records per page. If you want to select see the next record, click on next. This is called pagination option. Now I am in active status S. There are only 11 records. If you go to all accounts, it shows 14 records. Now in the first page, it is displaying 10 records. Remaining 4 records are displayed in the next page. See this. This is the pagination concept. It is, they have given 10, 25, 50, 100 and 200. Programmatically, you can change this. You can make it 5 records as well to display here. You can do it programmatically. Here you can add, it is showing 200, 250 records also you can do. We can do it programmatically. You can add this criteria 10, 25, 15, 100, 200 they have given. You can add 5 or you can add 250. We will see that in the next sessions, how to do that. So now this practice assignments. So displays recently viewed records. This is the first assignment. Use the following list option to you use this all accounts, display all records, my accounts, new last week, new this week, platinum and gold customers. You practice all these things. You create 5 to 6 records, then display all the records. You can display all records in accounts object whose name is starting with U. How we can do that? Here it is showing from A to Z. Just click on this U. It will display only whose name starts with U. If you want to select M, there are no records with M. We have created samskara. See this. Practice that assignment as well. You can sort the records in descending or ascending order. How to do that? Now see all accounts. Here you have up arrow. Just click on this. It is displaying from university U to A. This is ascending order. This is descending order. You try that as well. Practice that as well. This is called sorting. Practice that as well. Configure different list views. Now you create list view with this filter condition. Whose industry is equal to banking. If you don't get any records, now create new view. I am giving banking industry. All accounts, field, industry equals to value. Now here I have banking. I'm not giving anything here, or I will give here industry is not showing. Just enter industry because we want to see that field name visible to all users. Click on save. There are no records with industry equivalent to banking. What you have to do is now, while creating account, you give that industry. Check where is industry. Here education is there. Q banking. That's it. Now go to that list view. Go see now. If there are no records with banking, you enter that industry for your account. That time it will come in report. In the list it will be. Now phone not equals to null. If there are, I want to see the customer details whose phone number is not equal to null. Means I want to display only the customer details who has phone number. Try this and give this filter condition. Priority equals to high. Whose priority is high? You have to see the field. Where is priority field? In the record. Rating. There should be priority. Customer priority. This is high. Now, if you create this view, this should come. Our record should come. Configure list view for opportunity record. You read this carefully. I have created this for case object. I have created this for lead object. I have created this for account object. I have tried only an account tab. You try in different tabs. Assignments are given for different tabs. This is the account tab, leads tab, contacts tab. Read carefully that assignments. Check which tab I have given. Object and tab. Object is internal, tab is external. We will discuss about object and tab concept later. You try this on different tabs or objects. Right now it is tab for you. I have given object. You try with tab. This here amount greater than 40,000. See that field. Where is the amount field? Enter your record with 4 lakhs, 4,50,000 like that. Mailing city. In the address, enter Hyderabad. Then in the page nation, you display 10 records per page. Practice all these things and send to Samskara IT email ID which you have.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for attending the session. I hope you have understood all this concept. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now.